Welcome to the most simplified framework course you'd find on the internet today. Yes, I said it. Hello guys, Nonso here, and this is an introduction to my full Framer Mastery course for the absolute beginner. Emphasis on absolute beginner. So if you're coming from WordPress, or you're coming from Webflow, or you're coming from Figma, or whether you don't even have like any knowledge of all these things at all, like you want to start from beginning with Framer, this course is for you. I've gone ahead to prepare, some slides to guide the learning process. So as you can see, like I said, this is for beginners. It's beginner friendly. And in this course, you learn Framer from scratch. You learn how to build a real website. You will also understand how Framer thinks. Right. So this is a step-by-step video. So you would need to watch it accordingly so you don't get confused. After this course, you'd be able to design and publish a real website with Framer. You'll be able to build responsive layouts. That's websites that look good across different screen sizes, be it desktop, tablet, or mobile. You'll be able to use components and CMS. And also you'll be able to confidently explore Framer and the opportunities that come with it, like, building sites for clients, building templates for the marketplace, right? So those are like some of the things you can learn after this course. Now, the big question, Framer, what is Framer? So we need to understand Framer so that we know what we're getting into. Remember, this is a course for the absolute beginner, so this part is absolutely necessary. Framer is a no-code tool that lets you build websites without writing a single line of code. So prior to the advent of no-code tools, there are a ton of them, but Framer is our case study here. Prior to the advent of these no-code tools, how you would build a site is that developers would need to write code for the actual site. So they would need to write all them zeros and ones for the sites to come to life, right? But with the advent of no-code tools, we don't need to write codes anymore to build websites. We can just simply design it visually, draw boxes here and there, type some things here and there, and then publish it, and that's it. You've built an actual website. So it is pretty much an intro into the whole course, into Framer as a tool. Moving forward, we'll understand Framer in depth and how to actually build this site from scratch.